Today we're going to look at some titanium kit from Temu and how it could lighten your pack up. So keep watching. Right, so everything here is from Temu. I just want to go through a few bits here that I found would be a good idea. This one here is a ferro rod from, obviously Temu. Has a little lanyard hole there, but it's hexagon, and it's a good thickness. So there's a nice little buy there. This one was £12.23, so just throwing that one out there. Something I was short of in the last video was tent stakes. Sorry for my voice, I'm a little bit sick. So titanium tent pegs. I got 8 of these, super lightweight. By super lightweight, each one is 9 grams. So that's going to save me a lot of weight from those oldie industrial type ones that I had in my last video. This one I'm a bit on the fence about. It's a titanium cutting board you can get. It's a little bit, I don't know if it's a little bit thick or a little bit what, but it's a little bit heavy. So this one weighs 232 grams. So I might leave this one out because I didn't know how much weight it was. I'll put the price on the screen for this one. I got the grill. Super lightweight. Can cook off it. And I thought that'd be a nice little idea. 116 grams, but considering I could put this between 2 rocks and cook or whatever, I just thought it was a nice little idea again, and just something to try out. This one, little heavy, but I just wanted to show it to you. So it has this little ring. Just take that off quick. So it's a little bit fiddly. So one piece goes into the other piece kind of thing. So you got that goes into there. And then flip it around, that goes into there. And then you kind of a little bit of maneuvering here to get that into there. And it's fine. And you get like a little bit of a tripod here. And then you can cook off it. So as I'm getting into meth stoves, that's a really good height, I thought, and it's quite flat. But let me know what you think. Have you tried any of these before? As always, please leave me some information in the comments section, guys. I'm going to be testing this stuff out in the upcoming hiking video, but just throwing it out there. I'm going to do this one next because we're in the same kind of area of cooking. So again, super lightweight. 19 grams. Yeah, it curls up, so you can leave it in a cup. There's quite a few styles of windshields like this, and that's it. So again, just put your pot on top, holds, keep it in a cup, keep it flat in your bag, but it's not flimsy. Let's see that here. So on this side is a little bit of hooks here, hook into it. But there's another lightweight idea. I don't have any plates, which I noticed last time, and I want to start getting into a bit more of just not boiling stuff or just using water, but actual cooking. So I got a little dish here. 56 grams. So I'm going to show you how I use this setup to lighten my backpack for next trip. A lot of this stuff here is beyond voyage. Just thought I'd mention that. The plate price is $13.93. If I forget to put stuff on the screen, if I forget to say it, I'll put it on the screen, I mean. Right, so titanium cup, 450 ml. Wrote it down and make it a little bit simple. 89 grams. Has flip out handles, and the price on this one is £7.44. Is to make, and I like having cups. I need more than one, so that suits me. And this one actually fits inside of the next one I'm going to show you, which will save space. So I could put my coffees and teas and sugars in that one and still stack it into this one. This one's a 750 ml pot, has a little bale handle, and it also has plastic coated handles, which I thought was good. It does come with the lid, and on the inside it does have your measurements in there. And it goes up to 500 ml, but there's still a little bit of room left in that. The weight of this one, 134 grams, so not bad. But again, like I said, I could just take this one. Again, sorry for my voice. Stuff it in that, put the lid on, fits well, and then stuff that into this bag. And there you go. So I got 2 cups in there, my coffees and sugars and teas, and all set it up nicely. This one, I just bought this one because the Stanley Cook set, I'm not sure if you know this, but they don't make them anymore, and very hard to come by. So this one reminded me of that one. So it has these handles here. They're not smooth by any means. Just get that one out. There we go. So you got to squeeze both of them into the middle. Okay, then you got a nice little pot. Weight of this one, 143 grams. I'll just put the prices on the screen in a minute, but I just want to show you. It does have a little locking ring on that, but yeah. Now this one, some people are going to enjoy. So you got your 10 pegs, you got your grill. I shall show you why. So there's the company. Comes unfolded. Take grill section. So it's going to be 3 slots there. Pop one in there, one in there, one in there. And then on this side here, you just gotta put that straight peg down the middle. Just line them up. And there you go. Everything's all locked in. And you got yourself a super light stove. So 215 grams for this. Has some pegs here. So has holes on top. One can go that way. And another one. Stop being so finicky. There. Okay, so not the smoothest of setup, but a setup. Okay, so you can just put your whatever pot on there. It's going by the size of this. I would say this is for more frying pan or a big bowl or something. This isn't for cups, I would say, of that size. Not saying you can't use a cup, but I would say this is more for larger cooking. Last, but certainly not least, I have this one here, which is a lot of interest in people. So it's me making everything difficult today. It's like not everything else. That is in there. And then you have the lid. And you have these little bail wires here. Okay. So the bag is nothing to chat about. It's just a very cheap bag. But this one here, this is the Boundless Voyage. Comes with a 1 liter bottle. And then you have a decent size pot here. You use that for boiling water or cooking your MREs. And then you have a little frying pan there. Okay. Has your 150 and 300 mil on the sides there. This one also has measurements on the sides and butterfly handles. So I think for this kit here, you are getting a bit more for your money. It's cheap. It's not, I mean, it's not cheap. It's £80.96 for this one. So say if you were using this set here, weight is 385 grams. One of the things I showed in my last video is I need to come down and wait for my water. So I thought this would be useful only because I can take less cooking stuff with me then. So, but again, we'll set this up in a hiking bag at some point and swap some stuff out. Yes, I hope you enjoyed that. Sorry I wasn't as smooth as normal. I can't get rid of this cold at the moment, so it's really slowing me down. But I just wanted to share some new purchases I had off Temu and in titanium. So it's hopefully lighting up my bag. I can't even talk. But again, comment section, website. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.